Sourcing strategies and relationships in healthcare. The importance of sourcing decisions. It's a busy morning at Say Hospital, and Eric is reviewing bits for the new batch of anti-malarial drugs. This is where sourcing decisions come in, choosing the right suppliers to provide goods or services. If Eric makes the perfect choice, Say Hospital gets exactly what it needs, when it needs it, at the right cost. But it's not as simple as it sounds. Sourcing decisions are complex, requiring SAID to weigh risk, opportunities, and long term benefits. A good sourcing decision ensures patients receive timely care, while a poor one could disrupt operations. For major purchases like medical equipment, Eric knows careful planning is key to getting it right. Example: Eric needs new X-ray machine for say hospital but chooses a reliable supplier with a proven track record. He ensures the machine arrives on time and works perfectly, helping doctors diagnose patients accurately. A wrong choice could mean delays or faulty equipment, affecting patients' care. You understand that sourcing decisions are critical for ensuring the right goods and services are available, impacting organizational success. Let's go to the nature of sourcing decisions. As Eric sips his morning tea, he reflects on a recent sourcing challenge. Effective sourcing decisions requires considering all relevant factors: cost, quality, reliability, and balancing them against risk and opportunities. Not every purchase needs the same attention, but major ones like hospital equipment demand thorough analysis. In markets where a few suppliers dominate, Eric must strategize to keep competition alive, preventing monopolies that could raise prices. Alternatively, he might build long term relationships with key suppliers to ensure mutual benefits, like better prices or priority deliveries. A single supplier in Accra dominates the market for surgical gloves. Eric places orders with them but also supports a smaller supplier in Kumasi to encourage competition, ensuring said hospital avoids price hikes in the future. Sourcing management. Eric's phone buzzes with a message from a supplier confirming a delivery. This is sourcing management, the ongoing process of not just picking suppliers, but maintaining relationships with both current and potential ones. It's more than choosing a supplier for each need, it involves deciding how to allocate business and on what terms. Sourcing management includes informal tasks like Eric visiting suppliers or reading trade journals, and formal tasks like market researchers to identify supplier capabilities and trends. It's about staying informed and building partnerships that benefit their hospital. Eric regularly meets with a supplier of IV fluids in Kumasi, discussing these capacity to meet their hospital's growing needs. He also keeps in touch with a potential supplier in Tema, ready to step in if needed, ensuring a steady supply during emergency. You can explain sourcing management as strategic process of managing supply relationships and market research for reliable supply chains. Attributes of a good supplier. Eric knows a good supplier is like a trusted friend, reliable and supportive. While everyone might have slightly different expectations, good suppliers share key attributes: deliver on time, provide consistent quality, offer fair prices, have a stable background, provide good service backup, respond to need, keep promises, offer technical support, keep buyers informed. Modern procurement values long term, mutually beneficial relationships over fierce competition. Eric seeks suppliers who create synergy, where both sides gain more together than alone, like a 2 plus 2 equals 5 partnership. Eric works with a Kumasi supplier for hospital beds. They deliver on time, ensure high quality, and provide maintenance support. When every hospital needs urgent beds, the supplier prioritizes them. Building trust that benefit both parties. Can identify the attributes of a good supplier and the value of mutually beneficial relationships in procurement. There are types of sourcing. Let's move to that one. Eric's day involves sourcing different types of goods and services for said hospital. Each type requires unique consideration. 1. Consumable supplies. Items like bandages or syringes, used frequently and replaced often. Eric sources high quality bandages from a local supplier, ensuring they are always in stock for emergencies. 2. Production materials and components. Parts for medical equipment, like filters for ventilators. Eric procures spare parts for Say Hospital's oxygen machines, ensuring they stay operational. 3. Capital purchases. Major investments like MRI machines. Example: Eric carefully selects a supplier for a new MRI machine, considering long term maintenance costs. 4. Intellectual property. Software for hospital management system. Example: Eric sources patient record software, ensuring it's user friendly for say hospital staff. 5. Subcontractors. External firms for tasks like cleaning or repairs. Eric has a Kumasi cleaning firm to maintain say hospital's wards, ensuring hygiene. 6. Services. Ongoing support, like equipment maintenance. Eric contracts a technician to serve say hospital's ultrasound machines regularly. Traditional sourcing decision making process. Let's follow Eric as he sources a new batch of vaccines for Say Hospital using the traditional sourcing decision making process. 1. Identify suppliers. Eric checks the supplier directory to find companies offering vaccines. 2. Shortlist suppliers. He selects 3 suppliers with good reputations. 3. Send enquiries. He sent each a request detailing the vaccine type, quantity, and delivery timeline. 4. Selects the best supplier. He compares their offers based on price, quality, and reliability, choosing the best. 5. Place the order. He issues a purchase order specifying volume, delivery date, and quality standards. Example: during a measles outbreak, Eric follows this process to source vaccines. He shortlists 3 suppliers, evaluates their bid, and selects one with fast delivery and Ghana FDA approval. Thank you for listening to the Arid podcast. These are the lecture sessions.